Rocky's coming along pretty good. Now she's even starting to play with the birdie a little bit. Whoa, good girl. Today I got her to actually eat a treat out of my hand, so she's definitely improving. Get it, Rock. Hey, let go. She's going to eat the bird now. Let go. Come on, Rocky. Get it. Get it. Get it, Natty. Don't you eat it. Let go, Nat. This poor bird doesn't have a chance with the two of them attacking it. Ooh, get it. I hope they're catching mice in the barn the way they're doing with this bird. I haven't seen a mouse since the cats have been here, so I think that they must be doing something. Rocket, get it. This is another exciting video from Woo Cat Productions. I said in the last video that I made that it was about as exciting as watching paint dry. Well, this video is just packed with excitement, so I'm sure you're all greatly enjoying it. This is sort of like catching a fish. It's tugging on the line here. Okay, I guess that's enough excitement, cats. Woo's got to go to work. I'll catch you at dinner time. Rocket's got to give it one last good smack before I quit.